Hello YouTube, John we've got here. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a battery on an A4 B6. It isn't the most straightforward task, but it is fairly easy once you've got to grips with it. You're going to need a ratchet with 10mm or 10mm spanner, or a ratchet with a 10mm socket on it, and an Allen key. But I'll just bring the whole set out because I forget what size it is. But yeah, that's what you're going to need. It does need to be a long thin Allen key or one of these bad boys. But yeah, let's get to it. So this should have a plastic cover on, okay? And to remove that, what you do is you just pull this strip off. And it should just pull out like this one. And then you also need to remove this as well, to be able to get to the battery. And next, get your ratchet on lefty loosey with 10mm on the end. And you're going to disconnect the negative first, and then the positive, and it's the reverse order when you're putting it back together, okay? So next, there's this annoying little bolt down there. Luckily it is on this retaining like lever, which is actually quite good of them, and it's a hex key. Unfortunately, due to cables and stuff in there, and you can't really see it, just about you can actually. Let's have a look. Yeah, you need to get in there and loosen that off. It's a normal 1/2 inch socket with an Allen key on the end won't work. You need a long Allen key for this one. But yeah, you just undo it. Once that screw's there and done, you just can simply move this over to the right. Make sure the battery's nice and free. Yeah, now once all this stuff's out the way, just simply lift the battery up and out.